Hi, welcome to my quick demo of secure cable connectors for Cat5 to use with CCTV Baluns or power jacks. They're available on eBay, ebay.co.uk, item number 221 3691 66589. That's the item number. Just put that in the search box on eBay and it will come up with that listing. They're not very expensive, come in packs of 100, so you can practice as much as you want. Right, so I've got my Cat5 cable ready to be crimped and connected to the connectors. So let me strip the cable first. Just going to use a normal coax stripper with the blades adjusted just to cut the sheath and not the actual copper pairs inside. Be very careful with that. Mustn't cut any of these around here. Just the black sheathing. Right. So I'm going to cut the drawstring off so it doesn't get in the way. Don't need that. Separate our pairs. Here are our 4 pairs. For this demo, I'm just going to use the orange and white just to show you how to use these connectors. There we go. Put on the back of the blue so you can actually see it carefully. Okay. Right, just going to strip back the wire to show the copper. I'm going to use a striping tool. Oops, that's set too tight. I'll do it on this one. There we go. See that copper showing? That one was set too tight. Just do another pair for now. Might even be able to do 2 at a time. There we go. You can see that. Both of them stripped. Right. There you go. Get our connectors. Slip them over the pair. Right. For this demo, I'm going to actually crimp these, but you don't have to crimp them. You can actually put these directly inside and then tighten the screws, and that will hold them in place. Or crimp them like I do. Make sure the copper is showing slightly at the end. There we go. Can you see that? Got my crimp tool, which we do sell on our eBay website as well. There we go. And the other one. See them? Right. Just going to cut the ends off and a slight bit of the connector as well. To make sure they fit snugly inside the baluns. Yeah. Right, so now got my balun. Connect these correctly, positive and negative. There we go. I tend to use a dark blue for the positive. You can see that. And just loosen the screws. There you go. And the other one. Perfect fit. Tighten the screws. and we have a very, very secure connection at the back. That doesn't move. Yeah. We can use these for power jacks, male and female, or video baluns. Just tighten the screws in, put the connectors in, tighten the screws up. And it's that easy. There you go. Loosen the screw. Positive, positive. As long as the same on both ends. Fine, there you go. See that? Right, I'm just going to hold that in place while I tighten the screw. There you go. Perfect connector, no flimsy connections, no intermittent video problems where video keeps cutting out, where the wire is loose. Perfect connection. Like I said, you can buy these on ebay.co.uk, very cheap. Action number 221 369 166 589. There's also the crimp tool for sale as well there, and use the last notch on the end there. Just show you that connector. Can you see that? Yeah, there you go. It will go in there, and just a gentle squeeze, and there we have a crimped connector. You don't have to crimp them. You can just put these in the end of these, of the balun. There we go. Put your Cat5 cable in. So what I'll do, very quickly show you. I'm not going to strip it for now. Of course, these should be stripped to show bare copper. Push them right in. Tighten the screws. Tighten the screws with actually crimp them as well. There you go. There you go. Two ways. Very, very simple to use. Very sturdy and no loose connections. Hope you enjoyed that. Let me know if you want to see any more demonstrations. All over on eBay, Netviewcctv. They're not actually available on our website, Netviewcctv.co.uk.